How to download Bangkok Bank App. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. For the Android device, launch your Play Store, and for the iOS device, launch your App Store. Here we go. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Bangkok Bank and then search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of install or get. You have to click on that option. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. It is one of the largest commercial banks in Thailand. Its branch network includes over 800 branches within Thailand, with 32 international branches in 15 economies, including wholly owned subsidiaries in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and China. Once completion of its download, launch it. Now you can type in your credentials of your account and log into your account. Well, this is how you can easily download Bangkok Bank app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.